Good morning, guys. In today's short live stream, I'm going to be showing you my moringa. I thought it was dead, but it looks like it is alive now. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what's going on here. I showed you where I had winterized my moringa, and in fact, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to that video. And I think I have a moringa playlist, so when this video is live, I'll put a link to that playlist as well in the description. But I showed you this on the tour this month, and I said this moringa is dead, it didn't come back. So I did winterize it. I put a bunch of leaves and plastic around it, and I saw this goji berry over here, and I thought that that was the moringa. But that was just some stray goji berry coming up. The moringa is over here. Look at that cute little moringa plant starting to sprout out. So it is sprouting out from the base of this moringa. So it looks like I will have some moringa this year after all. That's so awesome, because moringa is one of the most perfect foods there is, actually. It's got a lot of the amino acids that our body needs, and it's got a lot of protein as well. So if you want more details on moringa, go ahead and click on that link to the moringa videos that I will put in the description when this video is live. And I'll probably put it in the comment here before the video is live. So should be there in a few minutes. All right. My rubber band just popped that was holding my camera, so I hope that didn't pop and scare anybody. Let me go ahead over to the other side here and show you closer up where this moringa is coming out. It's coming down from the base of the plant here, coming out from the roots. The goal of my channel is to give you information to help you become a better gardener, and go ahead and put a comment down below to tell me how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. And give this video a like. That helps YouTube know that it's a good video, and they will send it out to other people then, so other gardeners can see my moringa. My moringa, moringa, I love you. Sorry for that, guys. Couldn't resist. I'll probably put an end screen to my short live stream playlist, so that you can watch some of my other short live streams. Have a blessed day.